Welcome to part 7 of the 1000 verb challenge. Let's get started. Stop. Stop. Please stop talking during the movie. Create. Create. She loves to create art in her free time. Say. Say. He wanted to say something important. Get. Get. Can you get me a glass of water? Allow. Allow. They will allow us to enter the park after 9 a.m. Add. Add. Please add some sugar to the tea. Spend. Spend. They like to spend time together on weekends. Grow. Grow. The flowers grow quickly in the spring. Take. Take. She needs to take a break from work. Use. Use. He knows how to use a computer. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and make sure to subscribe for more in our 1000 verb challenge. See you in the next video.